Look down. Look up. Look right. Look left. Look straight.
As you can see, the PLEN Cube also do voice recognitions. What we do here is the PLEN Cube record down the audio files and put it into a digital audios. And then the next step is the PLEN Cube will convert the digital audios into the text. In this step, it takes us a lot of time because we need to do a lot of massive calculations on the converting into the text and also do a lot of AI training for that. And the third step, which is the final step, is the text will be arranged to the commands and pass it to the PLEN Cube. So the PLEN Cube will look at the command and see what is the actual user speaking and get the cue and do the action.
Look straight. Take a photo.
The cube also will do recognitions on the direction the user speech. So how we do that is the cube have a built-in for mice. The cube will use the mic and then calculate how much time it takes to reach the specific mic. If the mic is nearer to the user, the mic will receive the voice first. After that, the furthest one will receive the last. So we use the time lag between each mic to calculate the angle of the user speaking. After we calculate the angle, we will move the cube into the specific user's direction. Moving the cube to the specific direction takes us a lot of time because we need to fine-tune the motor and also the angle of the microphone. This takes us a long time, but I think this is a very good achievement that we have done.
We're looking to see a straight line trend between the actual sound source angle and the measured angle of the cube, but instead we're seeing something non-linear. However, now that we finally found this consistent trend, we're able to make corrections to the readings to adjust the line to become straight, and thus have the cube face the proper direction when called. We're on our way with implementing the hardware and software changes we need to finally put this issue to rest.
開けごま写真撮って開けごま動画撮って
こんばんは。ただいまより一人一台ロボットの時代へPLEN Cubeファンミーティングを開催いたします。Look left, look left, look left, look left,
Look right. Look straight. Look straight. Please look straight.
look right.